If you're over 60 and you've been dealing with burning, tingling, or strange electric sensations in your hands or feet, this message is for you. You may have felt it more at night when everything is quiet and you're trying to rest. That pins on needles feeling that doesn't quite turn off, or that deep numb pressure that suddenly turns into a sharp stab. Today, I want to talk calmly and honestly about what may be happening and why so many people your age feel stuck with it. For many seniors, these sensations are unpredictable. Some days are tolerable, and others feel exhausting before noon. One morning your feet feel heavy and disconnected, and later your hands feel weak or unreliable. You try to walk carefully, you grip things more tightly, and you start paying attention to every small signal from your body. Over time, that constant monitoring becomes tiring in itself. What makes this even harder is that nothing seems to work consistently. One vitamin helps for a week and then stops. A cream numbs the surface but doesn't change what's happening inside. You rest more, you move less, you try different routines, and still, the discomfort returns in a different form. Many people in their 60s and 70s quietly wonder if this is just what aging feels like. They don't always talk about it, even with family. They adjust their plans, skip trips, or avoid long walks. Not because they want to, but because their body no longer feels predictable. That uncertainty is often more stressful than the pain itself. Underneath all of this, something slow and quiet is usually happening. Over the years, small amounts of inflammation and oxidative stress build up in the body. Circulation becomes less efficient, so nerves don't always get what they need. Cells become tired, and repair systems work more slowly. Nothing breaks suddenly, but the damage accumulates little by little. It's similar to what happens in an old house when moisture slowly seeps into the walls. You don't notice it at first. Then one day, paint peels wood weakens, and things don't work as they used to. With nerves, the process is quieter, but the principle is the same. Waiting rarely reverses it on its own. If you decide to look into options later, it's important to know where the official information actually comes from. Not everything online is equally reliable, and clarity matters when health is involved. One of the most common mistakes people make is not carelessness. It's persistence with weak solutions. Many products are designed to create a short-term sensation, like warmth or mild numbness, without supporting the nerve environment itself. Others contain tiny amounts of helpful ingredients, too small to matter over time. So people keep trying, hoping the next bottle will be different. This leads to months of quiet disappointment. You spend money, you adjust your expectations, and you tell yourself to be patient, but nothing truly changes. The real risk isn't your health. It's wasting months repeating something that was never strong enough, and those months are time you don't get back. What actually matters is supporting the systems that protect and stabilize nerves every day. That includes managing low-grade inflammation, improving cellular resilience, and giving the body consistent raw materials, not in extreme doses, not in rushed cycles, but through steady daily support that fits into real life. Some formulas are designed with that long view in mind. They focus on ingredients studied for nerve, comfort, and metabolic balance. They're meant to be taken regularly, not occasionally. The idea is not to force change, but to create better conditions over time. One example of this kind of approach is a supplement called AlphaCur. It includes palmitoylethanolamide, known as P, along with metabolic and antioxidant support compounds. It's intended for adults who want structured, daily nerve support as part of their routine. This is not a miracle. It's not for everyone. It doesn't replace medical care. AlphaCur may make sense for people who have already tried basic options and want something more thoughtfully formulated. It is not meant for those looking for instant relief. It is also not for anyone who ignores their doctor's advice or avoids proper medical evaluation. It works, if at all, as part of a broader responsible health mindset. One important warning: as interest in products like this grows, fake sites and low-quality imitations also appear. They often copy packaging and language. They may contain unknown or diluted ingredients. That creates confusion and unnecessary risk. If you ever decide to check AlphaCur, make sure you're using the official source. In this video, that means the link in the description and the pinned comment. Those are the only places that lead to verified information and authentic supply. If you're still here, you already have enough information. The only thing left is to verify now or repeat the same cycle later. You've done the reading, the listening, and the waiting. At this point, Clarity matters more than postponement. Check the official details in the description and pinned comment and make your decision calmly and consciously.